Yeah, this makes me enormously happy. It would have been such a terrible shame to have rushed away from this place in search of coffee. Just spectacular. This is one of my favourite spots in Tunisia, I think. Really, it's too hot to be sitting up here, and I don't know if I even trust this platform. The view is so good. A cockroach and 2 other unidentified bugs. This is why you always let the tap run before filling your bottle. This is as far south as I'm going in Tunisia. This way there's 80 kilometers of not very much to the Libyan border. I thought I was all alone on this lonely stretch of desert road, and then there's this man just casually walking with his baguettes. Assalamu alaikum. It's really too hot for this today. It's midday and it's got to be pushing 40, and I've still got a way to go. I can't even see the screen, so I don't even know if you've got a nice view of Ksar Ezra to look at right now. Strange to see cars in the courtyard, but you can tell it's being used for its original purpose of storage. Wowee! Wowee! Oh, so much cooler in here. Oh, It's like jumping in a cold bath. Here in Gelida, I've hit 80,000 bike touring kilometres, which is basically 2 laps of the planet. I think more precisely it's 80,080, which I should hit my next day on the road. But anyway, I'm celebrating. I know that there's a bar in Tataouine, but I also know from last time around that they don't serve women, and I had to send my dad to buy our beers like I was a child. Anyway, so let's see what can be done. Hopefully I can celebrate 2 laps of the planet with a cold beer tonight. So many more Ksour, but I just can't. I'm done. 10k's to Tataouine. Right, here goes nothing. What? Yeah, I thought it was remarkable I got through the gates. It's some kind of religious holiday. To be continued. I'll try again tomorrow. It might not look like much, but I reckon this is the best libnaise in Tunisia. Cheesy, chickeny, chippy, yum. Cheers. In fact, I had no difficulty getting served this time around, which is curious. I don't know how to feel about that after being turned away last time. So here's to 80,000 kilometres and effectively 2 circuits of the planet. Cheers.